Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we're making a little classic cocktail. It's gonna be perfect for your summertime. It's light, it's refreshing, it's frothy, it's made with gin, it's made with Cointreau, lemon juice, egg white. We're making a white lady, AKA the Karen. I'm just kidding, it's not called the Karen, but it is the Harry McElhone special, baby. Now, Harry McElhone did make this cocktail originally with creme de menthe instead of gin. Some things happened in Prohibition. It got switched to gin. After about a decade, it's awesome and it's drier, so it makes it a less sweet cocktail, which seems to be preferred. So we're gonna make one here today. And the recipe for the white lady is 2 ounces of gin, a half ounce of Cointreau, a half ounce of lemon juice, 1 whole egg white. We're gonna wet shake that. We're gonna dry shake that. We're gonna double strain that into a coupe glass. We're gonna garnish that with some orange bitters, and I'm also gonna garnish that with an orange peel on the side. So there's really not much prep work to do for this cocktail. All we gotta do is cut and juice some lemons, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the prep work. Tools you're gonna need for the prep. You're gonna need a cutting board. You're gonna need a knife. You're gonna need a citrus juicer. You're gonna need a basket strainer. You're gonna need some sealable storage containers. So, like I said, all we gotta do is cut and juice our citrus. So let's grab our lemons, slice them up. I'm gonna keep that one extra there. Grab our containers, grab our juicer. Let's give them a squeeze. We're juiced, let's grab our basket strainer and let's just double strain real quick. 2 times. Let's grab some blue tape to label and date. Place it on that lemon juice, grab a lid. Lemons juiced. That was it for the prep work, right? Pretty easy, pretty quick. Let's go ahead and jump into making the white lady. All right, so I went ahead and put my lemon juice in the sheeter bottle here. We're ready to rip. This is a shaken cocktail. First thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. Next, we're gonna need our jigger. And we're gonna need our glassware. So, cheapest ingredients, most expensive. Start with our half ounce of lemon juice. Then we got a half ounce of Cointreau. We got 2 whole ounces of gin. Grab our other shaker tin here to crack our egg white into. That way we don't fuck up. 1 whole egg white into the cocktail. Next we need our ice, because we're gonna start with our wet shake. Fill that shaker tin all the way to the top with ice. I'm gonna seal that bad boy up and shake for 12 seconds. $12 seconds. Crack that container. Now we're gonna take our Hawthorne strainer here. We're gonna strain it back in to the short side of our shaker. We get every drop. Great little trick. We're gonna take the spring from our Hawthorne strainer and place it in the short side of our shaker. And we're gonna seal this up, dry shake, no ice, shaking for 20 seconds. I think that was about 20 seconds. Crack that container. Woo. And let's double strain this frothy beauty. Oh yeah. I'm out of breath from all the shaking. Let's grab our orange bitters. Now I'm just gonna hit the top with a few drops, just to cover up that egg white smell, you know? And one more bonus, this isn't really traditional. I'm gonna do a little orange peel. We'll spritz the cocktail, rub the edge of the glass a little, just to give it a little more essence. I'm gonna roll her up, just for aesthetics. I'm gonna just clip it to the side of the cocktail here. And there it is, guys. The white lady. Let's taste. Get the orange on the nose, that's great, covers up that egg white. Whoa. That's boozy. It's dry and frothy, man. That is a cool little cocktail there, man. A little bit of acid from that lemon juice. It dries out your mouth almost like you're drinking a really dry wine. except without the body. It's really clean, frothy, creamy, little hint of orange on it. It's got a nice little bitter palate on it a little bit, a little acidic palate. Little frothy gin cocktail, baby. There it is, the White Lady. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, save for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.